And today, 10 people arrested after spending time at the Malheur National Wildlife Refuge will be in court for a release hearing.
That includes Ammon Bundy, who continues to urge the remaining occupiers to leave the refuge. The FBI says there are still 4 people inside that refuge today, and there are still containment lines set up around the area. Yesterday, a judge did say none of those arrested will be released until the refuge is clear. Let's head downtown where our Lisa Balick is with a look at today's hearing in Portland. Lisa?
A big factor in what happens here today is whether people are still occupying the refuge. Now, the federal judge in this case has said in no uncertain terms she's not letting anybody out until that's resolved. Now, meanwhile, in court today, we'll hear from the attorneys representing those arrested, the militia members, and they're going to argue that they should be released on bail, arguing they will show up for court when directed and that they have little or no criminal history until this point. Now, federal prosecutors will argue the defendants are a high flight risk and a threat to the community. We talked with an attorney who is not connected with the case. He tells us it does matter that most of those arrested are from out of state.
One of the things the court looks at in determining whether they're likely to show up for their court appearances is what kind of ties to the community they have. Do they have deep ties to the community, family, friends, employers, other connections here? When you don't have those kind of connections, when you're geographically somewhere else, that weighs against pretrial release.
Now, the release hearings are set to begin at 1:30. Keep in mind, they're all charged with conspiracy, keeping federal workers from their duties through the use of force, intimidation, or threats. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Of course, we'll let everyone know what happens later today.